Hello everyone, welcome to Daily News Wrap by Voice of Crypto. Today is 9th June 2022 and we're going to look at the top trends, price action and top news of cryptocurrency market. Also stick around till the end to know more about the top gainers of the day. So the crypto market was trading slightly on the higher side with a slight increase of 0.4% over the last day and was trading at $1.25 trillion. Unlike yesterday, some of the top tokens saw a drop in their prices. So let's go ahead and look at some of the top cryptocurrencies. Starting with Bitcoin, which traded at $30,000 with an incline in last day and 1.4% over the last 7 days. Ethereum traded at $1,800 with an incline of over 0.2% in last 24 hours, and in last 7 days, Ethereum price has dropped by close to 0.8%. Tether traded at $1 with a minor decline. Similarly, number 4 USD coin traded at $1 with a decline of 0.02%. BNB token traded at $291 with a decline of over 0.02% in last 24 hours, and in weekly charts it was down by 4%. Now that's all about the top 5 cryptocurrencies. Let's look at some altcoins now. Cardano, which saw a jump of almost 14% last day, traded at $0.6 today with an increase of over 1%, and in last 7 days it rose by close to 11%. Similarly, XRP by Ripple was up by close to 0.7% and traded at $0.4, and in weekly charts it was down by 2%. Binance USD traded at $1 with a minor drop of 0.08%. On the other hand, Solana was trading at close to $41, moved up in charts by over 5.4% and with an incline of 3.5% weekly. Polkadot traded at $9 with an increase of 2%, and Doge also saw an incline of 0.2 in the price and traded at $0.08 with a drop of 1.4% in last 7 days. Meanwhile, wrapped Bitcoin traded at $30,000 and was up by 0.05% in last 24 hours, and in weekly charts it fell by 3%. Avalanche saw an incline of about 1.5% on the charts and traded at $24, while Tron also saw a minor surge in last 24 hours and traded at $0.08. Now let's take a look at the top news of the day. So crypto intelligence platform Whale Stats exposed a massive purchase of Shiba Inu tokens. According to crypto tracker data, the largest Ethereum whales, which is known as Blue Whale 0159, has scooped up a 187 billion SHIB tokens worth $1.9 million. Taking advantage of discounted price, this massive accumulation makes Shiba Inu her third biggest holding position by dollar value, followed by two stable coins, USD coin and Tether. Next, we have news from Tether. So the issuer of the world's largest stablecoin has announced the launch of USDT on the Tezos blockchain, expanding the number of networks supporting the asset to 12, including Ethereum, Tron, Solana, and the recently added Polygon. According to the press release, the introduction of USDT on the Tezos is expected to simplify and enhance the on and off ramps into the latest decentralized finance ecosystem. Now let's look at the last news of the day. So according to the recent survey conducted by Deloitte, large majority, which is about 85% of the merchants, said that they anticipated that crypto payments would be everywhere in their respective industry in coming 5 years. Executives surveyed were distributed equally amongst industry including electronic, fashion, food, services, digital good, transportation and others, and they said that the digital currency payments will be used everywhere among suppliers in their industry in 5 years. Now let's go ahead with the video, and now let's look at the top gainers of the day. So we have Tezos, which headed the top gainers table with a price surge of 10% and traded at $2 with an incline of 16% in last 7 days. Next, we have Helium, which saw an increase of 8% and traded at $11 in last 24 hours and over 34% over the last days. Chainlink, which traded at $9, was up by 8.5%. Similarly, OMG Network token inclined by over 7% and traded at close to $3. Solana traded at $41 with an incline of 5%, and in last 7 days it was up by 3%. FTX token saw a surge of 3% and it traded at $27 with an incline of 7% in the weekly charts. Cosmos Atom, which traded at $9, was up by over 3%. And finally, Theta traded at $1 with a jump of 2% in the last 24 hours and over 17% in the weekly charts. Now that is all for today. If you like our content, do follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram and Twitter, and don't forget to give thumbs up and do hit the subscribe button if you like the video. I'll see you tomorrow with more updates from crypto market.